Hi everyone. In this video, let's have a look at the accounts panel. You need to log in using a username and password into your accounts panel. For a SaaS client, you need to go for accounts.fedena.com and sign in using the username and password that is provided. For a CDS client, you need to open your accounts panel in your server where Fedena is installed. Let me log in with my username and password. Once you've logged in, you can have a look at the accounts panel dashboard. And to know more information about the company, you can go for the username and the company. Under company, you get to see the profile of the organization name, the contact number, the email ID, and the username of the accounts panel. You can also have a look at the accounts manager, email ID, and the number of license that is provided and the number of license that was utilized. By going to the next option, plugins, you get to see the number of plugins that was assigned for this organization. The next option that we have here is the email. To send email using Fedena, you need an email setting done in your accounts panel. So here is where you're going to do your email settings. You need to add a setting here by contacting an SMTP provider and getting your settings done here. You need to enter these fields, and once you enter these fields, you can save it and verify your settings by going for this option. The next option that we have here is the SMS option. Just like sending an email using Fedena, you can notify the students and parents using SMS option. You can add an SMS package by going for create SMS package, and you can enter the fields that is provided by the SMS package provider. So these are the settings that needs to be done. You need to fill in the fields like package names, service provider, message limit, validity date, and the parameter mappings needs to be filled in. Once these details are filled in, you can save the SMS package and apply this SMS package for the schools that you have. You can assign these SMS packages for various schools under your accounts panel. So you can go for school and you can go for add school and you can select the school from the drop down. Once you've selected, you can give a message limit and a valid date and save it. So this is how the SMS option works. The next option that we have is local settings. Here you can add some settings regarding the language, time zone, and country. Based on the location of the organization, you can change them and save it. The final one that we have is the plugin settings. You can get your Google OAuth settings done here. Moving back to the schools option, here is where you can view the school that you've created. Once I select the school, you get to see the list of schools that I have created. And the next option that we have is the payment gateway. So here under payment gateway, you can make online payments using a payment gateway, for which you need to add a payment gateway here. To add a new gateway, you need to go for new gateway and you need to enter the configuration fields, the variable fields, and the response parameters here before we begin with the payment process. So I have created a payment gateway here by providing a name and various configuration fields with names and values. I have added as a new field and I've given a name and a value. The same way I have creating variable fields and I'm giving a name and a value for each of my fields. Once I've entered these fields, I'm going to save it. And this is one of the payment gateway that I have created. I can inherit this particular payment gateway to the schools that I'm going to create. Once I've inherited, I will get to see the inherited gateway found below. So this is all about accounts panel. Thanks for listening.